guys, before we get started, I would like to thank Wondershare PDF Element Pro for sponsoring this video. PDF Element Pro is an all-in-one smart PDF editor which allows you to convert, edit, create, annotate and sign PDF documents in every device. It is the best Acrobat alternative to maximize your document productivity. Now let's see a few of those features. So to convert PDF into Word document, first you need to open PDF Element, and after doing that you need to import your file and go to Tools and select PDF Converter, from which you can actually add the file that you want and convert it into Word or any other format which is available on there. Once you've uploaded it, you can just click on Convert and it's simply converted into Word. To edit your PDF documents, you can actually use OCR recognition on there by simply importing the file that you want and then going to Tools and going to OCR recognition, and after that you can just choose the filters according to your preference and you can simply perform OCR on there. After doing that, you can go to text and edit the text that you want on your PDF file. That's so cool, right? I'll leave the link to download PDF Element Pro in the description box below, along with the discount code and tutorials on how you can use it. And thank you so much, PDF Element Pro, and let's just get started. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is another productive day in my life. So I have a lot of work to do today. A lot of work stuff, some study stuff, then some other things as well. So I'm going to do that today, and it's going to be a very busy day. So I thought of filming it because, you know, filming makes just everything better. So firstly, I'm going to drink my juice, and another thing, you know, we used to be obsessed with mason glasses. I have like so many of those. I used to buy it every single time. Now I'm going to measure my oxygen level. It's very important because of the coronavirus. And okay, there you go. My pulse rate is surprisingly normal today. So that's that. Hey guys, so now I have my classes. I have my cinematography class right now, and if you're wondering, no, I'm not yet in college. I'm going to study that. It's a very interesting subject. Let's just go and study.
Make any notes or have any deep thoughts or commentary, and then if I really like it, I'll read it again and jot down some thoughts and ideas.
So guys, I finished my cinematography class. It was great. It was good. They showed us a like clip, so and they made us understand through that clip. So after I am done with the cinematography class, I'm actually very tired. I'm running on like 4 hours of sleep, but we're gonna do some other work, some English stuff. So for my other class, so I'm going to do some English stuff. Okay guys, so I have finished like half of my classes. Now what I'll be doing is making a thumbnail for my video, because yeah, I have a video. It's the room tour video, and yeah, I have to make a thumbnail for it, so I'll be doing that right now. Hey guys, so I slept and it's a lot later now. I just basically wasted so much time, but now I'm just going to straight away get to work. I have a lot of work to do, so I have some like brand stuff which I have to complete. After that I also have one class left. Oh god, so it's not like I have a class on a specific time. We can like choose it. And after doing that, I'm also a little bit hungry, so after doing that I'll eat something. Yeah, let's just do that first. Okay guys, so the thing is that my desk, as you saw in the video, it is not that clean anymore. In fact, it is very extremely dirty. I'm going to this is what my desk looks like at the moment. You can see it's like literally like a straight line, and then we have earphones over there. Then there's like just so much, and the laptop, I have not kept it here. So we're going to clean that because it's very extremely dirty. All done. Hey guys, so I'm almost done for today. Like I have one illustration to draw as well as one like online class to attend, which I have not attended till now, so I'll be taking that one right now. I have to complete it today itself. Fine guys, I have created it. It is very easy to create. Then after that I'll just save this right here, and it's a friendly reminder to support the LGBT rights. Yay!
Enough time for planning. This planning phase, also known as pre-production, is often seen as boring and nebulous for how deep and well-crafted your story will be. How, guiding you step by step in the whole planning phase.
Hey guys, so guys, a few days back I announced that I would be doing a giveaway, a bag from Miniso. So the winner of that giveaway is now it was very hard for me to pick the winner because so many of you entered. But if you did not win, then do not be discouraged because another giveaway is coming very soon. And I love you all so much. Thank you so much for entering. So that's all for this video guys. I really hope you all like it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, turn on the notification bell. Follow me on my Instagram at samraddhi and on my Twitter at samraddhi07 for behind the scene photos as well as giveaways. I do giveaways there too. And Nitya Mishra, if you want to be in my next video shout out, all you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the channel's post notification bell, and just comment below anything you like, and that you can get a shout out in the next video. That is all. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for entering the giveaway. More giveaways are coming very soon, so stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.